I feel the most myself when I'm outside, and most of my prints are inspired by the outdoors. My prints tend to be pretty simplistic in nature, and part of that is I really hope that the viewer can make the print their own. As a kid growing up, I really enjoyed all kinds of different mediums in art, and when I was in college I took a printmaking class sort of on a whim, and I really enjoyed the way it brought together, in a way, three-dimensional and two-dimensional art. I really liked the physical aspect of the removing the material, the linoleum or the wood, and then rolling the ink out and printing it. It's just that there's so many steps involved, and I really do enjoy each one, and it makes it I'm Sarah Welch. I'm the artist behind Wooden Spoon Editions, and I make original linocut prints.